All right, AP Lit for Tuesday the 28th. Your previous assignment was to just set up how you would maybe do the clean, well-lighted place essay. Okay, so if you haven't got that to me yet, get it in. So our focus for this assignment is going to be on foci. Okay, so if you look on the stream, I went ahead and posted a picture of the text. It should be readable. If it's not, let me know, please, but I went and checked it already. So this is an excerpt that you'll probably see on the exam. So we've done a few of these in class over the course of the year. So go ahead and read that, the top part there, in a well-developed essay, et cetera, et cetera. Okay. And obviously read the story, read it again. That's all you're really kind of doing today. All right. So we're going to do things a little differently this week. So pay attention. So for the following 5 foci, so I went ahead and read this several times. I believe that all of these are in there. I stole some of their ideas from their prompt, and then I just added a couple more. Okay. So what I want to focus on today is are you able to see these things? Okay, because again, on the exam, they're just going to say literary devices or literary techniques. So again, I implore you to, look back through all of our foci and just make a huge list. Okay, so that way when you do the exam, you got them at the ready. All right. So obviously, we're doing prose and not poetry. So, figurative language, you might see some of that. Metaphors, similes, I don't know so much, but I would just have a huge list at the ready. Okay. And then you just kind of tick them off. That's there, that's not there, etc. So here's what I need you to do. Okay. Because again, we're getting better at this, but a lot of people are still telling me what. Their whole essay is just telling me what is happening. Okay, and that's not going to fly. So we need to go from what to how to why. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So today is just the what. What the heck is this stuff? What's in there? Okay, so read the passage a couple times in 2 sentences. Just tell me in your own words, no quotes. What is the setting? Okay, think about the year. I think that's going to be important here a little bit. Okay, so just tell me what. What is it? What's the setting of this thing? Okay, next one, relationship between characters. All right, so same thing. What do we got going on here? Keep it general, keep it simple. Okay, don't overthink this. All right, tone. Okay, what's kind of the tone? So what do I think about when I think of tone? Well, look at the word choice. Okay, look at the verbs that they use. Look at the adjectives that they use. Okay, so that helps set the tone. All right. I'm going to make this a dual one, so foci, so imagery / symbols. Okay, whatever you want to focus on, just make sure that you label it. All right, the imagery could be symbols, vice versa. And then lastly, point of view and or narrator. Okay, so where's it coming from? What kind of narrator do we have? What is the point of view that we're privy to? You tell me. Okay, 2 sentences. That's it. All right. So here, make sure that you separate all these. I don't want them in one big paragraph. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me the foci. Tell me what you saw in the text. Okay, so label each foci and just simply tell me what the heck is in there. All right, is all you need to do for today. Okay, tomorrow you'll do your regular choosing to, evidence, and thesis. And then on Thursday, just to give you the heads up, you'll write the thing. All right. So if you got any questions, let me know. It's kind of a weird text, so good luck.